Hello guys, guess who came to visit? Chef Daniel in the building. Woo! Oh yes, he said he's going to teach us today how to prepare
Say that again.
catfish stew.
Of course.
So Daniko, over to you.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Chef D in the building, and today I'll be cooking some catfish stew. But I'll mix it up with some chicken, some fried chicken.
Wow!
So, let's see the outcome. You can't wait to test this meal.
Oh yes, we can't wait.
Dup.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Like I said earlier, I'll be adding a little bit of chicken. So I'm about to slice the chicken right now. So come close.
What are you using for the spicing to spice the
Okay.
chicken?
Okay, I've put the curry already. This curry, and this is my mangi. There's thyme, and there's a special spice. I use that always. Chicken flavor.
That's
This
good.
is, yeah. See my onions. So chicken do have this fat in it, so you don't really have to add extra water to it. So I'm gonna light this up and mix it. Just stir it together so the spices go around, circulate. Heat a little bit.
Yeah, you
A little
must
bit of heat.
cook on low heat.
So covered for some few minutes.
Yeah, this is gonna be interesting.
Back to the chicken. So I've added a little bit of water behind camera. So I'm to turn it. As you can see, I'm cooking with low heat. I finished turning, cover for like 3 minutes. While the chicken is on fire, I got my fish here. I've already washed with cold water. I'm about to wash it with hot water because it's compulsory. You need to wash your fish with hot water. Very compulsory to remove all the dirt in it. So come here. As you can see, this is the dirt. I'm about spicing my fish. As you can see, this is my fish. I have paprika, I have salt, black pepper, thyme, and mangi. So I'm to add all that to the fish. So fry the fish. I'm using air fryer to fry. I'll add a little bit of oil to it. Just little. After I'm done frying the fish, I'll fry my chicken. I'm frying the stew. So I'm just frying this up for 10 minutes. We're done with the fries, our chicken here, so I'm about to fry the stew. So these are our equipment for the stew. Onions has been set, spices, tomatoes, and the tomato paste has been set. So I'm about to fry the stew.
Is it supposed to be equipment or is it supposed to be these are your spices?
No, I call
these
it.
These are your ingredients.
Yeah, I call it equipment because of the kind of job I do. Professional.
Okay.
So I'm an engineer, so this is my equipment. In this kitchen, I'm a food engineer. You know what I'm saying?
That's true. Let's.
Fry pan has been set.
Okay. Your fry pan is falling.
The pan has been heated. I'm about putting the oil. Like I said, always cook with low heat.
But this your fire is not low. It's high.
It's low. It's low. I don't know. It's the camera. I don't know. Onions, come close. Always use low heat, like I said, So this is going to fry for some seconds. Tomatoes first and the pepper, but me, I love frying my tomato paste first. After putting your tomato paste, it's time to put the tomatoes This tomatoes is being blended with tomatoes, pepper, and onion. That's how I blend my tomato. I don't know about you, but to me, I think that's the right way. It's time for me to add my spice. It's time to add my stock. Man, this is delicious. It's time.
This cheese is too, you know.
So I'll allow this to cook for a few seconds before I add my fish and my chicken to eat. Let me add my protein to eat. The stew is already cooked. Like, it's been cooked. So it's just for me to add my protein, and with a few minutes.
To add the fish and the chicken, right?
Yeah.
Chef Danny Cole,
You can say that once again.
your stew is stewing. Okay, you increase the gas again.
Yeah, a little bit. So I want it to cook.
Very fast. You want it very fast.
If I'm hungry,
You can't wait.
I can't wait. I'm already filled up.
And you're telling my people that you have to cook on low heat. And now you're increasing your gas. Chef Danny Cole in the kitchen.
Yeah, you can say that again.
And the stew is stirring.
It's been delicious. I can't wait to, eat this. I'm already filled already.
We can't wait to all the test time is busy.
I'll cover this for some few seconds because the stew is already ready. So it's for the stew to penetrate. For the stew to penetrate to the protein. So that's why I'm leaving it for some few seconds. Alright guys, my special catfish stew and chicken is ready. It's ready to dish. And I got a lot of testers dying to test this meal.
Yes,
so
yes,
and I know I didn't fuck up. This is the best catfish and chicken stew you can have anywhere. Their tongues is being watery. Yeah. So I want to quickly dish this food. I don't know who's the head of the kitchen, but who's the head of the kitchen? He's gonna eat the head of the fish.
So who is the head of the kitchen?
I don't know. I'm the head.
Are you the head? Are you my husband? So it's time to dish. You're dishing it. This food is dishing.
It's dishing.
Oh, this food is sweet. This food is already sweet.
It looks so delicious.
It looks delicious. Just take a look at it. So you're malicious. So agboboricious.
I didn't say that.
So it's time for me to test the rice, the special stew cooked by Chef Daniel. So let's go. Okay, Chef D. I'm sorry for that. The sauce is not saucy. What is going on?
Please, where's my own spoon now?
It's not bad.
Are you supposed to be the only tester?
It's not bad. It's delicious. Chef Daniel?
Rate me.
Rate it. You don't want me to rate it?
Rate me.
Let me be sincere. I'll rate it 60 over 100.
60?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yeah.
God forbid.